Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you are having a fantastic Thursday morning. In today's video, I am going to give you one stock and talk about one stock that has catalyst that could really cause a short squeeze and this stock could go nuts. But before I get going, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified when a new video comes out. I do have a Patreon group. I have a link in the description down below. If you want my buy and sell alerts and you want to know the different things that I'm looking at per strategy, then that is the place to be. I have limited spaces available, and once those fill, that is it. I will not be adding more spaces to my Patreon ever. That is not my plan. So far, year to date, I'm up 0.63%, which you might say, well, that's under 1%. But with how this market has been, I feel very, very good about my strategies and how things are working. Now, not doing as well as last year, obviously, finished with a 185% gain in 2021. Looking forward to fantastic gains, and you can have triple-digit gains if you have solid trading strategies and you stick to those strategies. When you waver from those strategies, that is when you are going to lose money. All of us get cute and all of us do certain things and try out something new. And it's best to start with a small amount of money or do it in a simulator before we have developed and fully realize the perfect strategy to trade stocks. I have quite a few of them that I use each and every day. All right, well, let's get into it and let's start talking about it. But first, I'm going to talk about some of the different stocks that I sold. So many of you are always interested. Sold BBIO for a 2.68% loss. That one just did not move. That was part of my insider swing strategy. Did not do well. Sold HOFV for a 14.42% gain. Pretty solid. That was a 4-day investment, and to earn 14% over 4 days was really good. Sold BMBL for a 1.85% loss. Sold COCO for a 5.10% loss. All right, now let's start to talk about what is this stock that you're talking about? And you'll want to stay till the end of the video as I start talking about it. I have 3 reasons why I think this will do terrific. So here we go. So the stock that I'm talking about today is Children's Place, ticker symbol PLCE. This is part of my insider swing play that has had a very high win rate of about 70% of winners with an average gain per pick of around 3%, and that's on average a 3 to 5 day investment. So I have done this over and over and over again, and I have consistent gains all the time on this. Now, one thing you need to know and that I need to disclose is that I am an owner of PLCE, because when I saw the catalyst that happened on Wednesday evening and after hours, I loaded in and got in. My average is $49.68. So I am down just a little bit, but not concerned at all. And I think you'll find that I got a very good price considering what's going on. So if you are looking at this stock on Thursday morning and you're thinking to yourself, oh, I might try this, this might be a good one, I like what he has to say about this, then I think you should invest in it. Otherwise, if you don't agree with the different things that I'm looking for, and you must understand that I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a stock trader who's had a lot of success trading in the market. Okay, so the very first thing that I like about this stock, number one, and the first thing is that it has a short float of 17.54%. And it appears that the shorts have taken it way too far. You can see how it was way up here at 113. Now they have realized, anyone who were way up there and played it all the way down here, they have realized a 50% gain, and now they're kind of stuck. The hard thing can be when you're a short seller is to know when to exit. Well, most exit when the stock hits the bottom, and so that's why you see a bounce when the RSI hits below 30. And so you can see some people exited here, but the short percentage is still really high at 17.54%. It bounced up here, and then it was shorted again to come down here. Now, I think that this stock has put in its absolute bottom and that this is going to get out of hand. Here's what happened. In Wednesday after hours, John Bachman, director, loaded shares and opened open market. So he paid the same price me or you would pay for the stock. This was reported Wednesday at close. So this is really, really fresh activity that has been just reported by the SEC. And so I'm expecting on Thursday morning for this to start to bounce and for it to start to bounce big. And I just think the shorts have taken it too far. A lot of them are going to have about a 50% gain in this, and they're going to see their gains start to diminish. And you could see a squeeze situation. I know that I track all of the stocks that I'm invested in an app that tells me the different news events that happen. Well, a director buying shares in open market is a very serious thing to consider as a reason to exit a short position. So 17.54%, John Bachman bought shares at $40.83, and this stock has a 52-week high of $113.50. And so I am expecting a big move out of this. See if you agree with me. Take a look. Of course, do your own due diligence. But I think on Thursday morning that this will heavily outperform the market based upon what has happened. I wish you all the best in the stock market. Please have a strategy for each and everything that you enter and exit. Please reach out to me in the comment section down below as it helps the YouTube algorithm, and hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. I so appreciate all of you, and Raythoven out.